Hello, I'm Jennifer, and in this video, I have got 10 tips to help you take your apartment to the next level. So stay tuned. So in our last video, we decorated the clubhouse at the Anthem at Creekside in Smyrna, but today's video is we're decorating the apartment model. Now, while this is a model, there are still some super great decorating tips that I can share with you. So take a look. We had it for 3 months, but
you want me to keep holding this?
No, okay. But because of quarantine, they said, okay, we'll send you a new one, which made me so happy until...
Well, then I was taking it into the store and it dropped and I was like, oh.
The new
one?
Yes!
Yeah, and I was like, great, the glass probably broke, and I opened it up and I'm like, oh great, it didn't, and then I see there's a dent.
Yeah,
Right
so...
there. I dented it.
Yeah, and he's still wearing the JJ shirt.
Yeah, so I'm gonna need you to turn in your last time card. Mama probably not gonna do it.
It wasn't, that was just me pretending like I was gonna help.
Yeah, Mama's learning how to get stuff moved. Yeah. Here, I'll get it.
So tip 1 is decorating with mirrors. They will make a space look so much bigger, and if you can, hang the mirror where it can reflect a window. Look how beautiful this is. Tip 2 is to choose large artwork. They make a room look bigger. These are some of my favorites. We sell them in our store, and I will leave a link in the description. If possible, always put your couch on a wall and never put it in front of a window. Again, light makes things look bigger. Tip 4 is accessorizing. Great style takes great discipline. Choose your accessories wisely. Use larger accessories, but go minimal. Tip 5 is to choose reflective items in your decor, like a mercury glass vase or like these nesting tables with a mirrored top. Tip 6, make a happy bed. You deserve it. Want to do it on a budget? Shop home decor discount stores and you can save a ton of money. Tip 7, choose cool lamps. Think of them as artwork and remember to have low lighting in your room to create beautiful ambiance. Tip 8, think outside the box for furniture selections. This table is actually an end table for a living room, but it makes a perfect nightstand. Tip number 9, hang your draperies high. Want to have some drapes on a budget? I've got a secret where I get them, and I'll leave it in the description of this video. Tip 10, add greenery and florals to every room. Don't overdo it, but a little bit of greenery adds a touch of softness and beauty. Here's a bonus tip. There are a ton of temporary DIY projects you can do. Check out, this is peel and stick tile. Completely amazing. I will leave a link in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You gotta hit that bell because it'll tell you when I have a new video out, and we've got a lot of fun things coming up, so stay tuned.